How do you say hello in Niuean?
Whakalofalai atu.
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 Whakalofalahi atu.
Spell Niue.
N-I-U-E.
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 N-I-U-E. N-I-U-E. N-I-U-E.
N-I-U-E.
How many stars are there on the Niuean flag?
9. 1.
1.
6.
5.
None. 5.
5.
Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5.
5.
5.
Hey, do you know the 15 villages in Niue?
Yes.
What?
Can you name
Bro,
them?
what are you talking about,
In
man?
order?
So, oh my gosh. Okay, so you have Hakupu. Has to be in order, or can I just name them?
Just name them.
Hakupu, Makefu,
Alofi, Hakupu, Limu.
What?
I can't remember the rest, but I know a few more.
Avasele, Tamakautonga, Alofi South, Alofi North, Avasele, Hikutavake, Toi, Mutalau, Hakupu, Vaea, Avasele, Tamakautonga, Alofi, Hikutavake, Toi, La Kepa, Liku, I forgot, Mutalau, Hamsipa. Liku, Liku, Tuapa, Namakulu, and did I say Toi?
Hakupu and Tapatautonga.
Alofi, Tamakatonga, Hakupu, Liku, Alofi,
What else? That's all I know. Alofi, Hakupu, Putalau, Namukuru, Wapa, Liku, Tamakatonga, Toi. Did I say Mutalau? Lakepa.
Hey, do you know the 15 villages in Niue?
Hey, there's only 13. There's
Alright.
Hakupu, Vaea, Avasele, Tamakautonga, Alofi, Makefu, Tuapa, Namukulu, Hikutavake, Toi, Mutalau, Lakepa, Liku. That's it. There's only 13, not 15.
What do you know about the hair cutting and the ear piercing ceremony?
Isn't like the hair cutting when we turn like 8 or something? Is that when a girl turns 16? Or something? It's usually the boys that get the hair cutting ceremony. So they just, it's a big ceremony. Like each family member, they cut a piece of hair, and then they get money. The person's hair that's been cut, they get. That's all. And then the ear piercing is more for the girls.
Yeah, and it takes forever. Like,
They don't use proper stuff. I think they use needles.
I think you have to braid your hair, and then they cut little pieces off. Yeah, that's what I know. Know that Hokuto is gonna get his hair cutting soon because him and his brother still has long hair.
And I think that families take they pay for some piece of the hair.
Oh yeah, they pay for like
pay
pieces
for-
of
yeah.
the and they keep them for like how old are you? Generations or something. Yeah. So they didn't have those ear piercing guns, so they have to like grab a fruit or something and put it behind there, and then they just stab it in from this side, and then when I got mine done, I screamed because I was like 4 and Niue, and they got my hair cut off. Oh, your ear. But it closed up now.
Oh, I've got mine right now.
I couldn't get yours in Niue though.
Oh,
From what I heard is when you grow up, we usually grow our hair out, and when we get to a certain age where we don't want to look like a girl anymore, or we want our hair cut, then it's a special Niuean event where we will have a hair cutting ceremony, and we'll cut like each family or each family member will cut a strand of their hair, and sometimes they'll keep it. And for ear piercing ceremonies, it's quite important for the lady. It's like shows them that they're growing up, or they're becoming independent woman or something. But yeah, it's really important, and it usually happens sometimes at a young age, and it's where you just get your ears pierced so you can have earrings and stuff.
Name a Niuean song.
Sipolo.
Can you two sing it?
Sipayo koe leo fia fia Niue waha e tuai.
Sipolo koleo fia fia Niue waha e tuai.
Whakasipe lima lue lue lulu talulu talule taului.
Mi toki e tau menosi a Yehova ne nuku.
You got this.
Sipolo.
Sipolo, can you sing the song, please?
Atafolola.
Can you two name or say 10 Niuean words that you know, starting with Fakaue?
Fakaue,
Fakaue, whakalawhalai atu. I can't remember them on the spot.
Tapulu misi, sisipi, fululupe, huki, sipunu, sioki hila, filisa, TV.
Four.
It's a spoon.
Sipunu.
What about fork?
Muki.
What about knife?
Laulau, Huki, Sipunu, Sipolo, Sisipi, Nofoa, Sea, Tapu.
Whakalofalai atu,
Koikia. Niue. Tamakatonga. Hakupu.
alofi,
Liku. Ko. Hao. Hao. E. Manga.
oh wait,
Pussy, Apala, Pakamole, oh, Fakaue, Whakalofalai atu,
Aha, ua, tolu, wha, lima, ono, fitu, walu, iwa.
What?
Hongo, hui.
Name one type of celebration in Niue that you know of.
is it White Sunday?
A Niue haircut.
And Niue oh my gosh.
Haircutting, yep.
Birthday. Wedding?
A celebration.
Is it a celebration? Oh, graduation?
Haircutting.
Hair cutting, yeah, ear piercing.
Birthday.
Yeah. Constitution Day, yeah, that's also one, I think.
So you got the hair cutting, you got
The ear piercing.
you got the, would birthdays count, like big birthdays?
Oh yeah, like 90th or like 80th. Like
You got the, what is it called? Niue Language Week. You got, what else?
You guys sing the national anthem.
Oh, what's that? I don't know it.
I don't know it.
Keep singing. Keep singing. No, I can't remember.
Koe iki langi ua whakalofa mai ki Niue nei, ki Niue nei.
Koiki e rangi kua whakalofa mai ki Niue nei, ki Niue nei.
Koiki e langi ua whakalofa mai ki Niue nei, ki Niue nei.
Okay, last one. How do you say goodbye, Niue?
Koikia.
Koikia.
Polepo.
Koikia.
Koikia! Koikia!
Koikia.
Koikia. Koikia.
Koikia.
Count to 10 in Niue.
Taha, ua, tolu, pa, lima, ono, hi. Oh,
Fitu.
walu. Oh,
Hiva.
wait. Hiva, hongafulu. Oh, did I?